Few washing machine repair tips every husband should learn. 1. What to do if the washing machine has slow water discharge. First, turn off the faucet. Unscrew the water inlet hose. Take out the filter. You will see that it is severely clogged with dirt. Rinse it clean with water and put it back in place. The water flow will be normal again. 2. What to do if the washing machine makes loud banging sounds during spin. First, shake the inner tub to see if it's loose. If it is, the securing screws are loose. Unscrew the screws, securing the impeller, and remove the impeller. Tighten the loose screws. This will solve the loud banging sound issue. 3. Washing machine fills and drains water simultaneously. A little secret repairmen don't want to tell you. First, tilt the washing machine and remove the cover plate. Unscrew and remove the drainage assembly. Take out the object blocking the inside. 4. Washing machine not washing and displaying E2 error. First, open the top cover. Here is the door switch. Sand it down a little. This will allow it to wash normally. 5. Washing machine reaches the preset water level, but still fills and drains water simultaneously. First, unplug the power. Turn off the faucet. Remove the cover plate. The pressure tube has come loose. Put it back in place, then start the spin cycle to drain the water from the pressure tube. This will allow it to wash normally. Follow me for more useful tips.